Not only does Zoom have complete calendar integration with Microsoft and Google, Zoom also has complete email integration with both Gmail and Microsoft Exchange. You can easily stay in your Zoom client and check all your Microsoft or Gmail. All you have to do is click on the mail icon on the left navigation bar. In this example, you can see that I've integrated Zoom Workplace with my Microsoft account. I can tell you that because there's an icon that says Microsoft on the top left-hand corner. Now, all the email that I could see in Microsoft Outlook, I can easily see inside the Zoom client without ever having to change applications. And you can see in this demo, there's actually an email from Patrick Kelly about Zoom and Microsoft email integration. I'd really hate to have to read this whole thing and then compose a reply. Thankfully, I don't have to. AI Companion can do it for me. So hit reply, and then at the very bottom, you can see the symbol for AI Companion. Just click on it. AI Companion is now going out, reading that email that's on the Microsoft Exchange and composing a reply on my behalf. Now I can review that whole reply, and if I don't like it, I can discard it. I can have it retry. I can even have AI Companion refine the reply with improve the writing, make it shorter, make it longer even change the tone to friendly or persuasive. Once I'm happy with that reply, I just simply hit insert and send it. Now with that Zoom integration, I've sent that email using my Microsoft Exchange account. And just for comparison, this is Microsoft Outlook on my Mac. You can see it's the exact same email I had in my Zoom client. And if I go to my sent folder in Outlook, the reply that AI Companion composed is right there, all synchronized with Zoom and Microsoft Exchange.